person can take a medicine, and how this person can take a strong medicine, and how much can affect, because sometimes there are medicine or drugs that they can kill you. So what do you do with that? You want water, Itamar?
No, okay. Thank you.
I do Gaga twice a day.
Twice a day?
Yesterday I did at 9 o'clock. You know who was? What's the name of her? Not Zina, the other one. Extraordinary.
In America?
Yes.
She's teaching in America?
I forgot the name. A small one. Ginger kind.
Navarra? No.
Navarro. I lost the name. How long was this tape?
26 minutes. 26 minutes.
26. It's too much, no?
It's too much, huh?
No, I don't know. I mean, I'm going to send this to Ferran,
Yes.
and he's going to tell me too. And I see from there how to synthesize.
Yes.
Or to leave that all together as a long
As a long course.
You understand? Now, I have to prepare all the papers and stuff that we need in order to continue. You understand?
Yes.
And the vitamins and this and that in order to see what to do. Okay? But in a simple way, it's like we have the picture and we're going to put again the picture like we have the. It's like we're going to start again. No, leave it for now. I will wash again my hands. If you want to wash your hands on something. In Hebrew is Nekudat HaBriya. When I teach this in Hebrew, is Nekudat HaBriya. זה מצלצל כל כך יפה.
כן.
נכון?
בראשית.
Okay. Hello, Stefan. We are in the school of Pendulum. Again, we meet in another class that is the continuation of we had before. We have all the same set as we had. I had it like that. You had it with the picture. Fine. So I know that I had the person. By myself, I'm going to start all over again because this is a matter of practice and this has to go very fast. This is something that has to take no time. Don't get scared.
No. I do this.
The picture is a little bigger, but that's okay. That's fine. No problem. I mean, I'm not going to cut the picture because it's not mine, but it's fine. So we have this person in a very, very fast way. I place the picture in the board, okay? And I say pendulum. I make the protections, we did our protections before, correct? I protect the man from all the energies outside. So everything is protected here. The man this and that. I look for the center goes there, fine. So I have the center of the person that is just in the middle of the throat. Oh man. Well, anyway, fine. Sometimes there are people that like to stick something so they see all the time, but I see the little point that I put there, and I want to make it bigger. It's not bad, that's what it is. Okay. Eventually, we don't want to have this so much movement, okay? But when we work in real, it's not going to move. It's a matter of practice. So we don't give time to move. I myself, I work standing in the person. I prefer to work standing. I don't know if it's because I am shorter than the other people or because I am more comfortable sometimes standing than sitting. Okay? But in this case, we're sitting in the right position and we ask the pendulum, please give me the point of creation of this person, and this person, the pendulum is looking, and it's turning now, it's giving me the signal. Fine? It's giving me the signal and it makes me stop here. This is different, the place that we had before. When we did before in the other class, with the same picture,
Yes.
was a different position. You have to understand something. The universe is moving. The earth is rotating. The sun is this. The moon is that. So it's not the same position. We are not in the planet in the same position. In the universe, we are in a different place. Okay, you understand that? Fine. So I had already the point of the creation. So you look for yours. Mine is there in the middle. I'm going to ask pendulum, please let me see, let me know where is the point of creation of this person. So I start rotating, and it's rotating, is looking through the rotation, is looking in the universe where this person has been created. I'm not going to start finding out who is the mom and the father, because this is not important in this moment. You understand?
Yes.
It's important when is the moment of his creation. So it's rotating, it's already giving me the point, your source, so I see,
Yes.
okay, I have to be in the same place. If I'm standing, if I'm moving, I move, okay, I move, I go back, and I have to say, pendulum, please give me the point of creation of this person. Well, in this case, it's in the same place, because what's the no time. But sometimes it's really in a different place, you understand? It's not, it's moving sometimes. So it's just a moment that you look in again, give me the point of rotation, and that's it. Now, I have to ask where is the point of beginning of the fundamental ray, that is the ray that comes from the point of creation, pendulum, where is the point of beginning, where it starts and where it's finished. But in this moment, I don't want to find out this. In this moment, I know that I find in this man the point of creation. I'm going to take out this picture, okay? And actually I can leave it in here and take another
Take another page.
yes, another paper I have here. And I have here a picture with two people. Okay?
Yes.
What the problem? Because I want to make a healing to one of them, not to both of them. 3 healings. Okay, I have the picture. Okay, I stick the picture a little to the paper. Okay, so it's not going to move. And again, the same story. I accommodate myself, I sit comfortable. Pendulum, I'm going to take the point of creation of the man. This is a man and a woman. Okay?
Yes.
I'm going to ask for the point of creation of the man. I want to make a distant healing to the man. But it's a picture that I have that is a man and a woman. I'm not going to cut the picture, I have a picture like that. Okay? I respect that the picture belongs to somebody and wants to keep the picture like that. Fine. Pendulum, please give me the point of creation of this person. I place the pendulum, I start rotating slow, till I get the movement. I got already the signal is here, pendulum, find the rotation, okay? I'm not going to look at this point for the fundamental ray and nothing like that. I just know that the pendulum finds that the point of creation of this man is here. So, look what I do. Pendulum. Is this the point of creation of this man? Yes or no? Yes. What you get?
Yes.
Okay. I place the pendulum in the other picture. Pendulum. Is this the point of creation of this woman? Yes or no? What I get? No.
You get to know.
Meaning that she disappeared. She's not existing. I have only this person. What you get?
I also get to know.
That one. Okay, let's change again the picture. And I have here a picture with multiple people. It's a lot of people here, and sometimes you can take a picture of 100 people. It doesn't make any difference. I stick the picture, yes. I stick the picture. Oh my God. I am so bad for using that. Anyway, okay. And I go and I want to find, let's say, which person I can find that somebody here. Let's say I want this one here, you see? This is the second one I want. I want this one, the second one. Fine. So I will place the pendulum on top of him, kind of tricky. And I say, pendulum, please give me the point of creation of this man. Or is it a woman? It's a man. Or it's a person. And the pendulum is start looking, okay? It start looking, goes around, till the moment he find the. I did something different here, because you can do it in different way. I did before, pendulum, tell me where is the point of creation of this person. And I rotate this in the pendulum is giving me the signal. Right? Okay, it's here. So here is the point of creation. And I will ask, pendulum, is this the point of creation of this girl? Yes or no? No. Pendulum, is this the point of creation of this girl? Yes or no? No. Pendulum, is this the point of creation of this girl? Yes or no? No. Okay. Pendulum, is this a point of creation of this person? Yes or no? And says yes, because I am this person. Is the one I wanted. Pendulum, is this the point of creation of this man? Yes or no? Okay. Do it. You got it the same?
Yes. No. Pendulum. Give me the point of creation of this person.
No. No, you want to know if this is the point of creation of this person.
Yes.
Yes or not?
No, I find the point of creation of this person.
But is this person the one you want to work?
Yes.
Ah, that's fine. Now, what about another person? Ask if this is the point.
If this is the point of creation of this person?
Yes or not?
Yes or not?
And you have to deal with the person in a correct language. So you have to ask
Correct question.
the question. You cannot hesitate and you have to ask directly. This is like a computer. Is yes or no?
Is this the point
You
of
don't
creation
have-
of this person? Yes or no? Yes.
This is the person.
Yes, this is the person.
And the one next,
Is this the point of creation of this person? Yes or no? No.
okay. So means that the picture is like you have only that person and the rest of the people disappear. Thank you very much for today.
Thank you very much.
I'll see you
It was
tomorrow.
fantastic.
You understand?
Yes.
This is mine.
This is nice. Fantastic.
It's fantastic.
It is.
But it's real. It's real because I work with healing. I do
Yes.
work for far all the time.